Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into RingCentral easy tutorial step by step clearly. To log into RingCentral, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the RingCentral website URL www.ringcentral.com. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once on the home page, look for the login button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will see fields for your phone number or email address and password. Enter your RingCentral phone number or registered email address in the first field. Next, move to the password field and enter your password carefully. If you need to see what you have entered, click on the eye icon to reveal your password. Once you have filled in both fields, click the Sign In button. If your login is successful, you will be redirected to your RingCentral dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password, checking your email for further instructions. If you encounter any issues, verify your internet connection and try again. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication through your account settings. This will help protect your account from unauthorized access. Now you are ready to utilize RingCentral's features. Explore the various tools and services available in your dashboard. Logging into RingCentral is a straightforward process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.